Come, let us prepare, make some good profits. Today, our market left us big clues here. Let's talk about that in today's video. Very importantly, you need to know if this continues heading down and how sustainable it is. I see some red days so far. That's very key. Liquidity zones that's here. I want to talk about that in today's video. But before that, intraday analysis. Now, it's quite a straightforward day to day. Once you're able to identify the magenta algorithm. Now here at 11:32, now this is a live Discord analysis here, 11:32 on a Tuesday, that's today. Now we identified this magenta algorithm. Now this is quite important because once you identify the magenta, you see it's quite straightforward from here. You see that the cups will have to close first, right? So you see cups closing. It actually closed here. You wait for that secondary magenta that's building liquidity here. Now, you could have charted the orange. It will be penny perfect. And I want you to see how penny perfect the magenta is right here, because we are able to understand how the magenta is building liquidity on the way down here. So absolutely beautiful. Now the market helped with this selling continuation all the way down from the teal. And just take a look again how penny perfect the teal algorithm is. So it's absolutely essential that you learn to identify the algorithms, find profits in the charts from there, because you can't learn how to identify the structure here. Now, finding profits here, you see at the end, magenta was still building liquidity here, and we had the rejection from the pink algorithm. Once again, take a look, pink algorithm here. Absolutely penny perfect rejection. Pink algorithm didn't even turn into support. Why are you calling for the reversal? And just take a look after market. After hours, I mean, still continue heading down when the magenta is building liquidity here, continuing its way down. Very importantly, I talked about when do you call the reversal. So it's important you identify the algorithms too, because it will help you understand when do you call for the reversal. And I want to talk a little bit about this. This pink, you see how the pink has turned resistance and continuing to aid the magenta on the way down here. So this is quite important. I will talk about that later in this video. But let's talk about the 30-minute chart here. And quite importantly, I talked about the selling continuation, whether it is in this orange or if there is strength in that green here. So tomorrow you have to pay very close attention to that. Now this